In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a number line on Google Slides. We'll do this right on a mobile device so you can create a clean, accurate number line anywhere you are. This is great for math lessons, presentations, or quick visuals to explain measurements and intervals. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Once it opens, navigate to your presentation and open the slide where you want the number line to appear. If the slide already has content, that's fine. Just make a little room so your line is easy to see. Next, tap the plus icon, sometimes labeled Insert. From the options, choose Line. Now draw a horizontal line across your slide by dragging your finger from left to right. Try to make it fairly straight and long enough to fit the range you need. If you need more precision, zoom in with 2 fingers before drawing, and don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can adjust it by dragging the endpoints. Tap the plus icon and select Line again, but this time draw a very short vertical line. This tiny line will be your tick mark. Keep it short and perpendicular to the main line so it looks neat. If it tilts, just drag the ends to square it up. With that tick mark in place, tap it once to select it. Tap it again to choose Copy. On mobile, this usually brings up a small toolbar or menu, so just confirm you've copied it. Then tap somewhere else on the slide and select Paste. Paste as many copies as you'll need for your number line. It's better to paste a few extras. You can delete any you don't use. Now drag each tick mark onto the main horizontal line. Space them out by eye according to the intervals you want to show. Zoom in if needed, and use the alignment guides that appear to help you line them up exactly on the baseline. Take a moment here to get your spacing consistent. The evenness is what makes the number line easy to read. To label the ticks, tap the plus icon and choose Text to create a text box. Type your first number like 0, resize the text box so it's small and tidy, and center the text within it. Position it just below the first tick so it's clearly associated with that mark. Finally, copy and paste that text box. Move each copy under the next tick mark and edit the numbers to follow your sequence. Continue until every tick has the correct label. And that's your number line, neatly built in Google Slides on mobile.